Hey guitar players, if you're on the hunt for a killer amp to crank up your sound in 2026, you've come to the right place. Whether you're just starting out or you've been shredding for years, these amps are all about giving you amazing tone, power, and features. Let's check out the top picks for this year. We've got the Fender Tone Master Twin Reverb, and trust me, this one's a gem. If you're a fan of the classic Fender sound, you'll feel right at home with this one. It's lightweight, way lighter than the original, thanks to digital tech, but still delivers all the warmth and punch you'd expect from a twin reverb. The reverb and tremolo effects on this amp are legendary and perfect for everything from smooth, clean tones to adding a bit of retro vibe to your solos. It's perfect for both stage performances and practice sessions. Plus, the sound is so rich, it'll have your neighbors asking what kind of pro gear you're rocking. If you want that classic Fender feel with some modern perks, hit up the link in the description to grab one. For something a little more compact and portable, let's talk about the Flatsons FBA10. This tiny amp might be small, but it packs a punch with its 10-watt power. It's perfect for indoor practice or just jamming around the house. What I love about this amp is the clean drive channel options, giving you both those crisp, clean tones and a crunchy overdrive whenever you need it. It's USB-C rechargeable, super convenient, and the 6 hours of battery life means you can take it anywhere, whether you're practicing in the park or on the go. It even has a headphone jack for those late-night sessions, so you don't wake up the whole house. If you want something portable, powerful, and fun, this amp's got your back. Find the link in the description. Now, if you're just getting into playing, the Fender Frontman 10G is a solid choice. It's simple, reliable, and sounds awesome for a 10-watt amp. It's got that Fender clean tone that we all know and love, and if you need some extra grit, you can kick it into overdrive with the drive channel. The 6-inch Fender Special Design speaker gives it a nice punch for its size, and with the 2-year warranty, you're covered if anything goes wrong. It's perfect for practice in smaller spaces, and it won't break the bank, which is always a win. Whether you're a beginner or need a compact backup, this amp is ready to go. Check the description for the link and get yourself a great deal. The Blackstar ID Core 40V4, which brings a whole new level of versatility. This 40-watt stereo amp is great for anyone who needs more power for gigging or recording. The super wide stereo sound is awesome, giving your guitar an immersive, full-range sound that really fills the space. Plus, with Cabrig Lite, you get custom cabinet simulations, and the ISF tone control lets you dial in everything from modern to classic sounds with ease. It also has USB-C connectivity for recording straight into your DAW, so if you're a home recording enthusiast, this is a great option. The Blackstar amp is solid, affordable, and packed with features that'll have you exploring tons of sounds. Want to see more? The link is in the description. We've got the Boss Katana Artist Gen 3. If you're a serious guitarist looking for a pro-level amp, this 100-watt combo amp is a beast. It's got a 12-inch Waza speaker that gives you killer tone, and the Evolve Tube Logic sound means you get that warm, tube-like feel even though it's a solid-state amp. It's packed with advanced performance features like onboard effects, multiple channels, and so much more. Whether you're playing at home, recording, or gigging, this amp gives you the flexibility and quality sound you need. Plus, it's built to last, so you're investing in something that'll stick with you for years. If you're looking for a serious upgrade, check the description for the link to grab yours. So, whether you're just getting started or you're a pro looking for something that can handle all your tones, these amps will give you the sound and features you need. Make sure to hit the links in the description to find the one that's perfect for you. Keep rocking, and I'll catch you in the next one.